Hello students, today we are going to do Flamingo book chapter 3 Deep Water written by William Douglas. Now about the author. William Douglas born in Maine, Minnesota in year 1898. He has after graduating with a Bachelor of Arts in English and Economics, he spent 2 years teaching in high school in Yakima. However, he got tired of this and decided to pursue a legal career. Legal career means law. He decided to move towards law. He met Franklin D. Roosevelt at Yale and became an advisor and friend to the president. Douglas was a leading advocate of individual rights. He retired in 1975 with a term lasting 36 years and remained of longest serving justice in the history of the court. The following excerpt is taken from the Man of Mountains by William O. Douglas. It reveals how a young boy, William Douglas, nearly drowned in a swimming pool. In this essay, he talks about his fear of water and thereafter how he finally overcome it. Notice how the autobiographical part of the selection is used to support his decision of fear. Okay students, so now we are going to do the summary of the chapter. So students, moving ahead with the explanation, then the author decided the incident happened when the author was 10 or 11 years old. He decided to learn to swim, and there was a pool at YMCA in Yakima. Okay, and his mother would continuously warn him about the river because the river was so dangerous and so many people has lost their life. So his mother was every time warn him to stay away from the Yakima river. So he decided to learn swim from the swimming pool because swimming pool is the best way to learn the swimming. Okay, now moving ahead, as author wants to learn swimming and his mother was warned not to go in YMCA river. Okay, so he decided to join swimming classes, and he felt that the swimming pool was the safer way as it was not very deep, slope from the shallow end and deep gradually. So he decided to join swimming classes rather to swim in a river. And as we all know, okay, it is the safer and best way to learn swim is in the swimming pool itself. Okay, so he also decided and he joined the YMCA swimming pool. Okay, moving ahead students, when he joined YMCA swimming pool, then when he started going to the pool, he bought pair of wings. The pair of wings mean the things that protect person from drowning inside the water. So it gives people confident and feel safe, okay, nothing going to happen me. That also give William Douglas a confident that nothing going to happen to me. I am not going to down the surface. I will float on the water, on upper surface of the water. And students, what happened, as he was very keen to learn about the swimming, then he overcome his dislike. He subdued his bare legs. Because why bare leg? Because he doesn't like to be naked, because he was very skinny person. So he doesn't like that his people can see his thin legs, skinny legs. So he overcome his pride. He overcome his thing for love to swim. Okay. Now students, moving ahead with that, now he is explaining when he got the fear of water. Okay, at the age of 3 or 4, when author accompanied with his father to a beach. Beach means when the author was 3 to 4 years old and they were living at California. So one day he went, his father took him to the California beach, and that time he realized that he disliked water. Why he disliked water? Because what happened, he frightened very much that day. His experience was not very good. When he was standing in the beach side with the waves knocked him down and swept over him. Means the wave was so big, so he threw him down and all the water overcome it. He was buried in the water, means all over the water, and he cannot breathe properly. As you all experience, when we were in the pool or we were in the beach, waves knocked us, so when we were in the water, so we cannot breathe properly. It's hard to breathe inside the water, and same thing happens to the author, and that gives him the experience. That experience was very he frightened that thing with, and what happened with the father? And his father was laughing for him, and this terror experience was not, that experience was like a terror, and it can never be forgotten. And his heartbeat was, means beating, heartbeats are going like anything, ups and downs, and he was very much frightened with this all incidents. Okay, now moving ahead, then he decided to learn swimming from the swimming pool. Okay, and he entered in the swimming pool, but when he saw the water, so his past experience when he was child, that revealed, and that childhood fear was come in front of him, and he was very frightened. Okay, the past experience with the water come revived his childhood fear again. But what happened, he want to overcome with from his fear. So he decided that he has to learn swimming. So what he did, he started revealing the small children's, and he built some confidence with him, and he started going to the water, and he aping means copying other students, other small children's, and he do the same thing. But the days and was just beginning to feel as easy in the water, and the experience, that the beginning experience was easy and it's good for him, and he thought, okay, I can learn how to swim. And what happened, one fine day when he was alone in the pool, no one is there at the pool side, only he. So he see the water he saw was very quiet and stilly water. So it resembles like a sea. still water like sea. Now, now moving ahead, students, then what happened when the author was alone on the pool side and no one is there, and he was relating the still pool water with the sea, and all of a sudden he saw a guy nearby 18 years old and looking beautiful physique, and his legs and arm were little bit muscly. And what he did, students, he directly come and picked author, and that all of a sudden he throw him in the water, deep water, and he landed in the pool in the same position, got water in his mouth and everywhere. And but he want to overcome with his fear. So what the author has tried to do, okay, he was very frightened. If it happens with us students, then we will also be little bit frightened. But the same thing happened to the William also. He was also frightened, but what he has done, he was frightened, but he has not stopped his mind working, means not frightened by his wits. Wits means mind. He started thinking, if I'll go down, landed down, then what I will do. He started planning, but nothing has helped him. The boy has thrown him in that position, the same position he landed in the downside. Okay. And student, what happened? He started planning, when my feet hit the bottom, I would make a big jump, come to the surface, and I will be out of the pool. Okay, but see now what happened. Okay, students, he started planning, I will do this when I go down, but at that point of time nothing has happened. It seems a long way down. These 9 feet were more than 90 feet for me, and before I touch bottom, my lungs were ready to burst. Means while going down, his lungs was full of water, his mouth was full of water, he cannot able to breathe properly, and he was in a position he need air, but he was helpless. But when my feet hit bottom, and when his feet hit the bottom, then something has good energy came to him and made, I can do it, and I can go immediately up. I imagined I would bob to the surface like a cock. Instead, I came up slowly. I opened my eyes and saw nothing but water that had a dirty yellow tint to it. I grew. Now what happened? Students, he started planning, I will do this when I go down, but at that point of time nothing has happened. It seems a long way down. These 9 feet were more than 90 feet for me, and before I touch bottom, my lungs were ready to burst. Means while going down, his lungs was full of water, his mouth was full of water, he cannot able to breathe properly, and he was in a position he need air, but he was helpless. But when my feet hit bottom, and when his feet hit the bottom, then something has good energy came to him and made, I can do it, and I can go immediately up. I imagined I would bob to the surface like a cork. Instead, I came up slowly. I opened my eyes and saw nothing but water. Water that had a dirty yellow. Students, this is part 1 that we studied today. Part 2 will continue in next period. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Goodbye.